Yes, you can go back and redo your titles and update your thumbnails on your videos. And what I recommend, let me go ahead and get a resource for you. So first of all, you can do A/B testing with your thumbnails and with your titles using Tubebuddy. So here is my link. I'm going to drop it to you in Twitch chat. If you don't already have Tubebuddy, install it there. But you can do, let me just, I'm going to make a video on A/B testing. But what you can do is do the keyword research using Tubebuddy. And if you do Tubebuddy Legend, what you can do is actually, in A/B testing, you can test Title A versus Title B, and you can see which one is more effective. You can just literally test them both at the same time on YouTube to see which one is more effective. It's freaking great. Like, it's just amazing to just see these just straight up numbers and just to watch that magic happen. So with the Tubebuddy A/B testing tool, you can take Title A and Title B, and it just literally like alternates them every other day to see which one's better. It's so amazing. And you can also take Thumbnail A versus Thumbnail B using that Tubebuddy tool, and it'll literally just A/B test them and then tell you which one is more effective. Just by the numbers. Like, you don't even have to like guess which title is more effective or anything like that. It just straight up tells you this one was more effective than this one. This one got a higher click-through rate than that one, and use that information to grow faster. End of story. It's great.